Hello everyone. In this video we will explore another different feature of our general purpose token. Here we will discuss the method merge tokens that we can use to merge two different tokens in different states that we produced with the split method. And in the last video, I showed you how to split the token in different units, and now we will do the merging process where we have tokens that were split and they are in different states and they are united in one single state. Here we will unite first these two tokens here, and after we'll unite the result with the token that is not touched. So let's go here. In the blockchain, our tokens are here. Let me show you. This was the first split that we made. This token was consumed to form two other tokens, and this one is still untouched, the first that we formed in the first split. And we have in this other transaction two new tokens that were created. So we will unite first this token with this one here. How do we do that? Well, let's go here to our file where we merge the tokens. We have to use the private key that control all the tokens that we want to merge, and as a requirement of this merging process, the token have to be of the same owner, all the units that are being merged, and they have to have the same data inside. What that means, if you have this token and you have changed the data, you want to merge with this token, you have to make this data equal to this one or the other way around, so that you can merge the token. You cannot merge tokens with different data inside. Here we have the private key that we use to control all the states that we created with different splitting process, and they have the same private key that control all the tokens. And here we indicate where is the transactions where our tokens are as UTXOs of these transactions. So we have to change it. I will get first the transaction of this token here that we will merge, and I will indicate it here as the first, and I will get the second EXID, and it will be my second EXID to find the transaction. Now the token that I will use in this transaction is in the position 1. So we have to indicate the position of the token in the transaction, in the output of the transaction, and the second token is also in the position 1 of the second transaction. So we indicate these things here, and we just have to check if there's something that are missing, but everything is looking good. So now let's unite these two tokens in one. Let's call the method here. Before merging the token, just say that this first token has 25 units, and this one here has 20 units. So the resulting token will have 45 units of our original token, of our original meeting. So let's merge it. So it's doing the process here. Let me just bring it a bit more. So here the token 1 have 25 units. The token the other token has 20 units. Let's see, it has finished here. And okay, here is our new state of the merged tokens. Let's check here now in the blockchain. Now I will use this window because both tokens are already consumed here. Let me just let come. So now we have our merged token here, the first one, where it consumed the two other tokens that were previously split, and now this token has 45 units inside it. Look here. Okay, now let's merge this token here with the one that was not merged before, that was splitted but was not used. Now we can merge these two tokens and build one with the total units of the original token. To do that, let's take the TXID of this transaction. Actually, it's already there because you have used one of them. I will get the transaction TXID of this new token here that we just merged. Copy it, and I'll bring it here. Look, this is the transaction where the token, the old token that was not used, and this is the transaction here of the merged tokens. Both of them are in the output index 0. So let's just say here the output will be index 0. It can be 1 0 0 1 1 1 as any order you want. And now we just save here the file and let's merge the tokens. So here we have one token with 45 units, the other with 55 units, and now we have our final merging just finishing here. And after that we will have a token with 100 units as it was in the original version of it. So it finished well. Now we can check it on the blockchain. Here we have already the TXID of our transaction, and here we have the two tokens that were merged, and this one has, let me check here, 45 units, and this one has 55 units, and this one will be our original token with 100 units. It will show a different opcode here that represents 100, but okay, it's done all the merging process, and this is an interesting feature of our general purpose token, because you can split it in as many units as you want, uh, but the limit is the number of units that you indicated in the deployment of the token in this version. And if you want to gather the many split tokens that you are the owner of, you can merge them in a single token and use it as you want, and split it again and merge it again as you want. So this is what I want to show you in this video. I will leave you now. May God bless you. See you next time.